Yeah, today I got Chick-fil-A. I got a spicy deluxe chicken sandwich with some Krispy Kreme donuts. You see. Take the first bite. Here. To be honest, it's not bad at all. The chicken patty already good. Then put it in a Krispy Kreme donut and just give it a different taste. Fruit punch high C mixed with Sprite.
Chinese food mukbang. If you know, you know. So fire. If my burgers ain't wet like this, I don't want it. Wow. Mm-hmm.
Cheers, guys. Guess what I got? Beef birria tacos with consomme, elote corn, churros and ice cream, and of course the horchata. Fire. First, we're gonna start with the birria. Dip it into the consomme. Whew. All right, first bite. I was hoping for a cheese pool, but it's cool because this joint is fire. It's packed with so much meat. Mmm. Next, let's try their churro. I can already tell this is gonna be so crunchy. The ice cream changes the game. Wow. I just realized I was supposed to eat the chips with this.
Over under 5 bites. I think this is about 6 inches. Yeah, it's about 6 inches. Alright, first bite. I think this is gonna be easy. Third bite. I'm not wasting no food. Fourth bite. Last bite.
Cheers, guys. Alright, you guys, I ordered Thai food. This is like my first time ever trying Thai food. We got a Thai iced tea. Oh, that's so good. I DoorDashed this from a place called Lon Larb Soho. I'm butchering that probably. I got curry puffs, the pad ki mao spicy noodle, and I added crispy pork on it. It's Sunday. It's like raining out. I haven't really done much all day. Kind of tastes like a samosa a little bit. Wow, that was so good. I am going home at the end of this week. I have a shoot back home. It's like 3 or 4 days. That's really spicy. I'll be going home for the shoot, and then I just kind of extended a couple of days, and then I'll be back here. I think I'm gonna start apartment hunting here, like actually. I'm nervous for it just because I feel like I've heard not the best things about it. Just kind of like it's stressful and competitive and stuff. I don't know if I want to live with a roommate or live by myself, but I definitely want to find a place and kind of like settle. I like the idea of subletting just because I like not committing, but also I kind of want my own space.
Hey, what's happening? Let's play a game. Team Spice or no Spice? Comment below.
I just got home from my final exam and now I'm gonna eat some Chinese, so eat some Chinese with me. I have obviously my Olipop Dr. Goodwin here. I've never tried this flavor before, so we're gonna try it. And obviously a side of kimchi. We always eat kimchi. I started binge watching Peaky Blinders. I fucking love that show. I wish I started watching it earlier. It's actually so fucking amazing. I mean, Peaky fucking Blinders. I love it. I fucking love that show. And you know what? I mean, if you never watched it and you don't care, I'm going to spoil some stuff right now because I don't really care. But I hated Grace, okay? I hated Grace, okay? Snitches get stitches, okay? And spoiler alert. Whatever, spoiler alert. Yeah, spoiler alert. Snitches get stitches. Okay? There's no way. Okay, there's no way that you can forgive a person like that. I'm sorry. No. No. Can't believe I just got home from my final. It's 11:07. My review sheet was 77 pages, guys. 77! At some point during the exam, I was like, I don't know what I'm talking about. 100%. Have no idea what I'm talking about at all. It's just sad, you know, when you spend so much work, time, effort, and energy studying, and when the exam comes, you still don't know shit. It's crazy. And sometimes I wonder, am I okay? Probably not, you know? Here's some chicken for you guys. Eat that.
Mini Drake, crab rangoons, sweet and sour sauce,
Hey guys, thanks for joining me for lunch. I wanted to introduce you guys to the Appadiet app. You could take a picture of your food or you could scan individual barcodes and pull up all of the nutritional value of the foods that you are putting into your body. I have been using this app recently to make sure that I am getting a really good balance of all of my macros. It also has an AI feature where you can inquire about any kind of health related questions that you may have. These are just a few of the features of the app, but I highly encourage you to check it out for yourself.
Hey guys, so you guys are always asking me what I have on my lips that literally make it last through my whole mukbangs. I always use Sachu lip stain, the color mauve. I put it under all of my lip combos. And you're gonna wait 10 minutes. I just take a lip balm. Any lip balm works. How beautiful that looks. My mukbangs get pretty saucy. I'm constantly wiping my lips and literally will never come off. It's on sale on the TikTok shop right now, so I'll link it down below. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Guys, long time no see, and we've got Taco Bell. I've got the new chicken cantina quesadilla, and then my favorite grilled cheese burrito. Guys, I haven't posted in a month, okay? And we have got a lot to catch up on, so we just need to get right into it. Here's this wonderful grilled cheese burrito. Guys, I haven't eaten out in a long time because it is expensive, so I'm not doing it. But here's something we have to talk about. I have had issues with this one professor the entire semester. And he just graded one of my, we do everything in groups in this class. And he just graded one of our group homeworks. And he said that I was a shameful scientist because I did something wrong. And so I said, you know what? I'm getting Taco Bell. And this guy is awful. Not even just like a bad professor. He's just a bad person. Like in class, he just belittles people. He just belittles his students all the time. And like if you ask a question that he thinks is stupid, he will tell you it's a stupid question. And then he says it so loudly that everybody else in the class can hear it, so now nobody wants to ask him questions. And I wrote an email to his boss, the Dean of Math and Science, told him exactly what was going on, and all he had to say was, "Thank you for being courageous and letting me know." And that was it. And then the next class, we had to fill it, like when we came back to class, we had to do a professor evaluation on him, and so I kind of think that that was like because of me. LOL, oops. And so we did that, and clearly he wasn't satisfied with what we had to say, because he's been more passive aggressive and rude ever since. So kind of made it worse. But I don't know what else to do. I mean, he is just awful. And he fucking reeks. Pardon my language. But he smells so bad. Like the hygiene is just not there for him. Yeah, I cry basically every time I'm in that class because he's so mean, and like he gets mad at people for not asking questions, and then when we do ask questions he says they're dumb. So it's like, what do you want us to do? I don't get it. And like, he does pop quizzes at like the worst time. At the beginning of the semester, he said that all of our quizzes, like he would either tell that, like, it would be like half, he would tell us when they were, and then half would be pop quizzes. He has not told us when a single quiz was gonna be. And this class is an evening class, and so like he put a pop quiz the Friday before spring break. And I guess only like 3 or 4 people showed up to class that day. And so only 3 or 4 people got to take the pop quiz. Yeah, it was just awful. He's just so mean, like, for no reason. Like, I swear he's just like a bitter man. He's just bitter. Also, while I have been gone, I have been hitting the gym a lot more. I've been going almost every single day. Oh, this is good. Yummy. Anyway, I've been hitting the gym a lot. And since I can't really afford to eat out, I've been eating a lot cleaner, and I've lost some weight, so go me. School is kicking my ass as usual. Other than my awful professor, my butt has been getting kicked, so yeah. I had to stay here in my college town for this weekend because I had so much homework to get done. I knew that if I went home, I wouldn't be able to get it all done. And so I stayed here. But I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get everything all done before tomorrow, so Monday. Yeah, I'm just like, I feel like April for me, or like the last month of school, like any semester honestly, is like the hardest time for me. This is the avocado salsa verde sauce. This is new. It only comes with the chicken cantina stuff. Let's try it out. Okay, that's really good. Yummy. But anyways, I feel like the last month of school is just awful every semester. And I have lots of fun things planned over the summer. Actually, only a couple really, but I'm excited for the summer. And so it's like last night, I was up late working on my research paper about ginseng and type 2 diabetes. And I'm sitting here and I'm like, oh my gosh, like in a month I'm gonna be in Colorado, you know, celebrating my birthday. So it's like, it's just awful. But it's okay. Guys, I just have to lock in and like hope I pass my biostats class, which is the class with the really hard professor. And then I'll be done. Actually, not even, because over the summer I have to take chemistry 2 and physics 1. So that's really gonna suck. Okay. Yeah, that's really gonna suck. Physics over the summer. Oh, what? But you guys are gonna have to tell me what I've missed. What have I missed on the mukbang side? Because I have not even, like, when I tell you I have not posted for a month, I also haven't logged into this account for a month, so tell me everything, guys. And I need to go grocery shopping, but I'm looking at the Walmart right now, and it looks so busy, so I might come back at nighttime. This avocado is good. Or guacamole, I mean, sorry. Wow. Hey guys, but I'm so sorry I haven't been posting. I have been dying, so. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so sorry I've been gone, and I'm definitely gonna try to post more.
online and I wanted to try it too. I went there and found out the only option they had was soy milk and soda. Let's try it out.
That thing is boiling hot. I'm crying, bro. That should be illegal. Okay.